Hey everyone, well done for sticking out this far in my tutorial series. Hopefully things will get a bit more interesting now. This time we will use everything I've shown so far in the previous tutorials to build a simple vehicle. So let's start off with the chassis. Now when I hover over a construction, I can press C to clone it, so I'll do that, and I can use that for the other side. Just makes things a bit quicker. So let's position our rear axle, and I can use the attachment indicators to help me line it up centrally. And of course we want it to spin free to rotate, so we'll leave it free to rotate for this one, and let's place that around about there. And we'll add a motor. Oops, there we go. Let's add our front axle. For this case, we're going to have a vehicle that doesn't have any steering, just to keep things simple. Now you have two options. One, you could leave the axle free to rotate and then attach the wheels rigidly to the axle. Another way to do it, we could attach the axle rigidly, like that, and then we can attach the wheels free to rotate. And that way they're kind of rotating independent of each other. Either way works. For the rear axle, we definitely want them to be rigidly attached to the axle though, of course. So let's attach a floor, and we can again use the indicators to help us position that roughly centrally. In fact, let's put a couple down like that. And last of all, let's attach a seat to our floor pan. And that's pretty much it for as bare bones as you can get car chassis type of thing. So you can unfreeze that. And let's switch the motor on. Now, it'll be set up by default when I hold down Shift to use W and S to drive the motor once I switch it on. But in this case, it's actually kind of working backwards. So what we can do is we can bring up the control setup dialog and just reverse the direction. And so now W will make it go forward and S will make it go backwards. And then I can just hover over the seat and hit E to use it, and away we go. Let's see how far we can get without crashing. Not very far. And the only way, obviously, to steer this in any direction is to pick it up and point it where you want it to go. In the next tutorial, I'll show how to add proper steering, which makes the vehicle much more usable. Okay, well that's it for now. Until next time, thanks for watching.